Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Glad to see you again. My greetings. Okay. 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 We're going to make my SQL. Start my SQL from for control. What is my SQL? What is it used for? Something like that. You might be asking yourself, what is it for and what's the use of it? So today you get so I'll be using my SQL platform, um, which um, I'll I'll send you guys to go and download. All right. So let's say introduction to my SQL. What is SQL? I'm sorry, not my SQL, but SQL. Excuse me. Okay, SQL is a standard language for storing, manipulating, retrieving data in the database. So by storing, you just put something somewhere in the database. Manipulating means you can remove, delete, or update, or just populating the database. Retrieving or populating is the same as storing. Okay, retrieving is just you're getting whatever is in your database and you use it. Okay, SQL stands for structured query language. You must know that. And as I said, will be using Workbench from my SQL. So for our practicals. So for control, please I'll share this link so that you guys can go and download the bench SQL. Download my SQL. So right there, I can just come here and then write workbench because I have it already, and try to open it so that we can start having some fun. Yeah, starting to try to code to see how it works and something like that, and go through and go through. Then by there, you must be aware of something that we call ERD, relational database. You must be aware of it. How can you create your database according to the need? Okay, for example, you have your school, institution, something like that, hospitals, or I don't know, you just your simple system and you need to store data according to what to the specific department of your system. So you must know how to deal with that. So today, so my bench is on. So let me just connect for control. So myself, I'll be focusing on just how to be familiar with SQL in all this module. All this time, I'll be focusing on how to be familiar with it. This is how uh, uh, workbench looks like. So you can see here on left hand, on my left side, there is my databases that I've already created. So today I'll be just saying learning DB. I'll create a learning DB. So let's go and check uh, what what is needed for today because I planned about it. How to make ERD, that's a self-study, guys. That's a self-study for you. And if you want me to create you to make you a video about it, please tell me in the comment so that I can know that you guys are in need. You can do yourself study. You want me to assist you, and that's a good thing. Okay, so how to create a database? Okay, this is the simplest statement to do. You just write create database and the name of the database. So we decided that our database name gonna be what? I like using Notepad for control. Okay, can I say creating database code? Oh, what's our database name? I said learning underscore DB. Yeah, learning DB. So the statement says I'll just write create data database and the name of the database is learning 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 DB and semicolon. Yeah. So I have this statement. I just copy it and I go to my workbench here and then paste it. And I'm coming here to see if my code is working, like debug or something like that. So it does work because here you can see one row affected. So it means there is no error. And here you see there is no landing DB yet. But if I refresh my schemas, you're gonna see my landing DB here. And there is no tables already there. For example, check table, you can see here there is something like an arrow to show there is table, but here there is nothing. Okay, you can see this one has a post table. Okay, let me go to app and see if I have table. Yeah, even app there is post table. So not crude, yeah, even not crude, there is user table. So you can see how to check tables on your what your your database. Okay, cool. Let's continue. Database is very simple, guys. Just there, I'm done creating my database. How to highlight the database? Because remember, I have a lot of database inside my workbench, and whenever I wanna work with one of them, I must highlight them. Why? So that my the database gonna know, okay, it's means busy. They are busy modifying me in all of these times which me has been chosen. So I'm taking part. Okay, okay, there must be a selected database. DB means database that the programmer is working on. Guys, yes, you are a programmer, you must be focusing on something. So we are focusing on learning DB. And how to do that? It's just use and the name of the database. Let's go and see this magic part. We are going on our workbench, please. Download the workbench. So as I said, I like using the notepad, so highlighting, learning, highlighting learning DB. So what should I do? They say use and they say learning DB, guys. And I copied this and I just come here and I paste and I go to G to just run it and boom, here you see here it's coming zero row detected. Yes, something is detected. That means there is no error. Something is detected, and you can see it's highlighted. You can see that it is highlighted. So amazing. Then it means I can go for further and do my work because I know in the database I'm already in. So, ladies and gentlemen, we always remember this. My SQL is not case sensitive. So I'm just typing my keywords using uppercases because I wanted you to recognize the keywords that I'm busy using. And also it's for a good practice. I believe that. So how to create a table in a database? So uh, in a database there is tables. There must be tables in a system. There is a lot of departments, and I'm gonna split those departments into tables. Okay, let's say learning. When you are busy learning, there is lecture, lectures department, there is student departments, and so on. So now I wanna think like, okay, I'm having a lecture table, so I must create a lecture table and also a student table. Or let me just do what? Lecture table. So how to create a table for now? So you just have in mind something like tables are composed by two things. It's row and columns. It's like, yeah, it's simple as that. Row and columns. Yeah, so rows just for um, checking the data that is inside, or the name of the column that is there, and the column is the principal. So the intersection of a row and a column, it's there will be a value there, and the value will be dependent. It's either a heading or a title, or it's the value of a specific columns or heading or title. Okay, how to create a table now? You can see right here on my left side. There's the statement is here saying create table and name of the table, and you put in between bracket parentheses, excuse me, and you write the name of the column and the data type of the column and the constraint. Yeah, so we'll be doing like simple stuff for now. Don't worry about data type. We are just using, because we still beginners, we'll be using like small things, uh, not like big things. Okay, creating a table now. Creating a table for now. So we say it's create table, and name of the table is lectures. Lectures table, right? It's lectures table. Good. Let me do that. And between parentheses, between parentheses and a semicolon at the end. So my first one is gonna be what? It's gonna be what? Let me just say name, ID, ID, which gonna be what? Which gonna be an ID. Okay, the data type of an ID is number, right? Or I don't wanna add the IDs. I can say it's varchar, which means characters. Okay, how many characters an ID has taken. Okay, good. And the constraint is just making it like, I can say when you will be learning ERDs with something like primary keys, foreign keys. a secondary key, something like that. So please go and check the E of this thing. Okay, for now, I'm not just gonna complicate you guys. I'm just gonna say root now, not now, for now, to avoid complicating you guys. And they're gonna be what name what which gonna be a char. Okay, do you think your name gonna be too long, more than 32 notices? I don't think so. Yeah, and the name must not also be now. Not now. Yeah, let's say it's just have two things. Or let me just add age. Yeah, let me just add age. That's gonna be what number? It's gonna be what? It's gonna be number. Okay. Restricted to three because if you go more than 100, you know how my pace. Yeah. Okay, let's do that. I can start saying not now or just leave it like that. Oh, but it's okay. Let's check if these things of ours does work. Copy and we do it. Paste. Okay, check if it does work. Check if it does work. There is an error over char. Okay, that's the error. I understand the error. Over char. There is an error not now. You have error in SQL syntax, check a manual corresponding. Telling me to check a manual corresponding. Okay, 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 okay. We try again. Let's see. Hold on. Still an error. So let me remove the restricting. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, so H is end. Okay, and let me save. Let me take it just an integer. Okay, wow. Then it's working. You see zero affected. So if it's something is affected, it means it's working. But you can see on our learning there is no table already there. But if we refresh, we're gonna see table a row, and then boom, there we are. There we are. Here we are. Okay, you can see lectures table. Oh, okay. So if I click here, you can see that the table is empty, right? It's empty. My ID is empty. There is nothing there. So we have created our first table. I hope you too, you created your first table. Wow, what amazing. That's amazing for it. Yeah, so I'll try to explain about the data types so that you can have an idea. And yeah, please, if you need it, comment below, or if you can do the some study, I'll appreciate it. Good. Okay, how to populate a table now? So our table is empty. We wanna put some stuff there. Yeah, how can you do that? It's just simple. Simple as that. So you insert into the table and then the table name, and then you put what you want to insert, like table column name, table column name, and then the value you write the table. make sure the first value corresponding to the first uh, column name, and so on and so on. Let's go and see the magic behind how to populate. Sorry, but I was just I changed here. I did it. So this is no longer needed. Okay, now we are populating. We are populating. Now we are populating. Okay. So we said it's insert into table name is planning and into DB. And what do we want to insert inside a DB? So we want to insert what? The ID, and what? The name, and what? The age. That's it. And then we go to like values that will be passing for those IDs. So the first ID is a voucher, so it's gonna be inside double quote. So ID is gonna be taken then. So let me say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do the full ID. And then for the name, it's basically voucher, it's gonna be double quote. So the name is gonna be either. Okay, the age, it's a naming teacher, so it's gonna be just the number 28. And we're done. Let's see the magic behind it. Let's see how it's gonna behave. Boom, I'm copying my code on my workbench and I'm sending it inside. So it say, oh, doesn't exist. It says, oh, table learning DB doesn't exist. Okay. Can you hear? Can you see the problem? The table DB is not. The learning DB is not a table, but it's a database. Our table is lectures table. You see, sometimes you can be overwhelmed and do what you're not supposed to do. And yeah, there. Oh, excuse me. I just said something that I didn't want to say. Yeah, I changed the lectures table and let's go. Boom. It says one row affected. And if you just refresh your database and then you come here, then it's gonna give you see the ID, the name, and the age. Simple as that. You done the magic in your database. Oh, what amazing work. I hope you is following and doing the stuff with me. Okay, I'm done with populating. Now I'm going to commands. Okay, commands, we start to select the basic one. You must know how to select your data. Why? Because we use select statement when we want to select data from our database. Want to select, so the syntax is select columns from data from the table in the database. Okay, let's go and see the magic part. Let's go and see the magic part. Okay, selecting data. Okay, I can say select columns. So yeah, let me say columns code name. As you can see here, it's called name from what data, from the table, for the lecture table. I'm just done. I'm selecting the name of the lecture table. Just copy. and see what's the magic behind this. Okay, let's go and see. You see, he just selecting the name. What if there is two names, five? Oh, okay. Let's populate the table. Guys, you know how to populate the table is reason why I like Winnipeg because I'm not gonna retype all the stuff again. I'll just gonna change here. I'm just gonna change there and say Makosi. And say she's normally 25. Yeah. Okay. And you copy and you go to your stuff. You paste it there, and you check. Is there any error? There is no error. One row selected, and we come here. We click on the table there. You see we have two records. Let me add a third record. Let me add the third record. Let me add the third record. Okay, let me add the third record. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be who else? Say what's am I? What's am I? John Walker. This guy might be, I don't know, maybe 23. 23 or 22, something like that. Yeah. And we copy. You go and see the magic. Boom. Wow. You can see here, say one row select affected. So it means our code is working with refresh and we check. Oh, now we have, there we are. So now we want to do the same code that we did for selecting the name. Let's check. Let's check. Where are you? Where are you? Okay, populating. Okay, I'm here for selecting data. For selecting data. Okay, I'm selecting the data again and see what is gonna give me. What is gonna give me? What is gonna give me? Okay, good. Says 3 row returned. You see, and it's here. It give me all the names, guys. Give me all the names. So it's how we select. Okay, what if I change something here? I say just select everything, all the roles. I don't need to write the ID, name, age. I just put the start. Select all the roles, and here we go. It just give me everything, the ID, the name, and the age. What amazing code! Simple as that. Wow, you guys are enjoying. Okay, we were on select. Now select distinct statement. This distinct statement is avoiding repetition. Okay, the syntax is select distinct and the column name from whichever table. Okay, let's try to add like another like another. Okay, so let's 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 do this, and we are adding Motsamai again. We are adding Motsamai again. You're gonna see one row affected, and when we will be like selecting, we will be like selecting all from the table. Okay, well, let me put all here. This means all, selecting all from the table. Okay, and let's see if Motsamai bring there twice. Yes, is there Motsamai? Okay, let's use the distant to avoid repetition. avoiding repetition. Avoiding repetition. So I'll be select distinct, distinct, distinct name from ledger table. Let's see the magic. Let's see the magic that's gonna be done here. Let's see the magic that's gonna be done here. Let's see the magic. You see Mutsamai just once. What if I remove the distinct to show you guys that it's not it's not like it's not like I'm doing this so it means busy manipulating it. But yeah, I'm manipulating it, but the distance does something. That's what I meant. You see now it's gonna be no time. But if I put the distance again, you're gonna see what am I gonna come on. So it's very simple. So why am I showing you that? Because it's very nice to work with something that these things is proper. It's really proper. All right. There's no duplicated stuff. Everything is unique. Let's go for it. Work close. Okay, work close is just a filtering recode. So I'm gonna filter. Just give me the recode where the name is just here. Understand? Let's do that. Okay, before doing that, we're gonna see the syntax. Select column name and from whatever table and where the condition. Okay, let's go and check. Let's go and check. Okay, we're doing what? Oh, were close. Were close. We're using were. Okay, I'll be doing what? I'll be saying select all. Just need everything all from latest table where name where name is equal to 11. Where name is equal to 11. And let's see what the magic. Let's see the magic part. Let's see the magic part. Here we go. One row returned. You see, it just give me only where my name is there. You get. Okay, let's change here and do Mozart my. Let's do Mozart my. Yeah, my spelling more stuff. So my spelling is Mozart my. It says zero row retained because my spelling was wrong. Now let's see, it's fetching two row retains. You see, where the name is equal to Mozart my. Where is the condition? The condition is name is equal to Mozart my. Simple as that, and you are retrieving all the data that where Mozart my is the name. Simple as that. I hope we are enjoying. We are busy enjoying this stuff. Okay, order by. Order by is just for sorting the result, guys. Just putting stuff on the nice display, like in ascending order or descending order. So you can see the syntax. Select columns from the table order by. You put the column name that you want to order by in ascending or descending order. That's it. Let's go to the magic part. Let's go to the magic part. Order by. Order by. Okay. Go into the Okay, select all from the table. Select all from the table. Order by. Order by. Order by what? Let me say name. Order by name or inner descending order. Descending order. Yeah. Inner descending order. Copy. And then let me have the magic. Let me have the magic part. In the what? Descending order. You see, starting with M, where then M, and H. These two ascending order. These two ascending order. It's AC, ASC, and G. Simple as that. You start with H, and so on. H, M, and so on. What if you just say order by name? Let's see the magic. When you say by order by name, without precising the ascending or descending order, you're just gonna do for the ascending order. That's it. Wow. What an amazing and simplest programming language. Amazing. Okay, I hope this is for today. Thank you for watching. Think I'll see you next time. Yeah, I hope I did say a lot of things. Uh, yeah, I did say a lot of things, but I hope you gonna manage to understand whatever I've been saying and then practice. See you. Ciao.